Top 5 must-have tools for spring yard cleanup. Spring is in the air and it's time to gear up for yard cleanup. Here are the top 5 must-have tools for spring yard cleanup. First up, a lawn mower. Essential for taming your turf, look for one with adjustable cutting heights and mulching capabilities to customize your lawn care. Next, a leaf blower. Ditch the rake and clear debris in a breeze. Choose from gas, electric, or battery-operated models to match your cleanup mission. Third, pruning shears. Keep your plants healthy and well-shaped with a sharp pair. Comfortable designs make gardening sessions more enjoyable. Fourth, don't overlook a hand trowel and rake. These are your go-tos for precision in planting and weeding with durability for seasons to come. Finally, a garden cart or wheelbarrow. Transport soil, mulch, and more with ease. Pneumatic tires and sturdy builds are a gardener's best friend. With these tools in hand, you're ready to turn your yard into a springtime sanctuary.